Good evening, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another beautiful unboxing from Onedaysaving. That is www.onedaysaving.com. Now, all of you know Onedaysaving by this time. They've got a huge website. Their shipping is super fast, and they've got millions of products. Not millions, thousands, I don't know, but it feels like millions because it's a big website, very organized. Their customer service, everything is fantastic. Now they sell our favorite cross stitch. They even have the new beaded collection. You must go and have a look. But on top of that, they also have diamond paintings, paint by numbers. They customize all these products. Do yourself a favor and go and have a look. Now on top of that, they also do other things, very interesting things like wax seal stamps, scrapbook series, the weaving series, epoxy mold, tattoo, stickers, nail art, and even puzzles. Now, if you want to save a little bit more at Onedaysaving, you use my discount code, which is RELLA10, off for extra 10% off. Also, if you order over $59 or more, you get free shipping. Now that sounds good, right? Right, but if you're early enough for another day in 22 hours, their Halloween sale is still on. And there you can get 12% off, and the code for that is 24 Halloween 12. Also, buy 6, get 8% off. Buy 10, get 10% off. Buy 15, get 12% off. Buy 20, get 15% off. Now that's amazing savings. The shop is fabulous, very organized. The team that works behind the shop is amazing. They are super fast. So I do recommend you go and have a look. They're really amazing. Now, with all said and done, let's look what we've got here today. Alright, you looking at her on the screen. I am curious. All these ladies by the water, by the ocean. Now, you know I like fairies, I like the ocean, I like all that kind of stuff. And as you can see, this specific one is a fairy, not just a lady. She's a fairy by the ocean. Now, I know this is Wakan. I think so. I'm not sure. I'll tell you now. Might not be. I think it's Yushi. I don't know. Let's see. Let me make sure, yeah? I really don't want to make a mistake and tell you this and that, and then I'm wrong. But we're only human, right? Okay, let me see if they got them under detail. Sorry, I'm just looking because when I opened it now, I was suddenly confused. They Yeshu, yeah. They Yeshu, sorry guys. So, this is amazing. I just should have checked the printing, but it's beautiful. So, before we start, yeah, we've got our little tube with 5 needles, needle thread and a thimble. Whoa. There's a little tube with your 5 needles in it. And then the pattern is printed on my favorite foam for durability. I love this, it's strong. But please people, remember not to get the pattern wet. It's not water resistant. I say again, not water resistant. So please have a look. Oh, she's beautiful. Alright, we're working with an 11 count. 36 colors. I see all the ocean ladies are 35, 36 and a little bit up. That's how much they do print them with. The detail is here. It's going to look amazing. I think it's perfect. So 36 colors. I love this. It's beautiful. There's a little instruction leaflet printed on your pattern if you need that. Like I said, the pattern's perfect. 36 colors, 39 by 39 centimeters, 147 by 147 stitches. Perfect. Alright, as I go, I'll just put stuff away, okay? Chop. Okay, so let's have a look. Nice, bright, white Ada. Then catchphrase time. It is search all the way around for our convenience. You know, when I started saying that, I never thought it would become a catchphrase, but now it is. All right, so it's 11 count, like I said, 39 by 39 centimeters, 147 stitches by 147 stitches. The printing is amazing, 36 colors, and all the detail is here. This is a flowy dress, and it will come out as a flowy dress. There's a wide wingspan, and there's not a lot of detail here because you don't need it. It's her hair. So she's gonna look amazing, and she's small, so you guys know I do big things as well. The small ones, if you do one like this, chop chop, very, very quick to do. Look at the printing. Superb, superb. Now let's look at the pretties. Now the color here that stands out for me is that aqua blue. It's not turquoise, it's like a aqua type of blue. I want to see if they've got it here. It's on floss drops, and this never gets old because it's so beautiful. Yeah, it's here. So here it is. This colors together makes those wings, these ones. Shades of that and the blues. Some oranges. Okay, let me gravel this apart. Oh, this is gonna be so amazing. I really like it. I really, really like it, guys. Okay, so let's do this, and there you are. It's gonna be a pretty stitch, very feminine. There's the pink, as you can see, very nice, purple, plum. Oh, nice, excellent. I love it. It's amazing. Now while I pack it away, you can look at her. Look at that. Oh, isn't that just beautiful? I think it's amazing. Now while you look at that, I want to ask, if it's your first time watching, please press that subscribe button. It is for free, and by doing that, you motivate me to make more videos. Also, while you're at it, hit the like button if you like this video, and leave me a comment in the comment box, please. I will get back to you. Alright guys, let's see. Oh, look at all this blues. It's greenish blues. That is beautiful. Ooh. Oh, I thought it's missing. Okay, this one still have 5 needles, needle thread, a thimble, and a perf ball. See, there you go. In the bucket it will go. Now the pattern, once again, it's printed on my favorite shiny foam for the durability. Please mind the front. Do not get this wet. It's not water resistant. Once again, 36 colors, Yoshi. 11 count. There's instructions printed on your pattern. And 39 by 39 centimeters. Also 147 stitches by 147 stitches. Here you can see the beautiful flowy wowies going. Oh my Stitchy soul. It is really, really pretty. Now let me put this away. They're really pretty. I've got a thing for this, ladies by the ocean. It is so beautiful. Alright, so our canvas. Our Ada is the bright white Ada, and we are serged all the way around for our convenience. It's 11 count, 39 by 39 centimeters. 147 stitches by 147 stitches. Now, wow. It's a bit busy here by the flowers, but it should be. Because if it's not, guess what? That detail's not going to be there. It is nice. These stitches are not big. It is so fast. I think this will stitch up in a week. It is really so fast. It's 11 count. Really beautiful. Let me show you. Really, really amazing. Alrighty then, so let's have a look at the pretties. Look at these colors. Oh my word. Look at it. Oh wow, I love these colors. All the blues, look here. It's blue greens, blues and blue greens and greens. A bit of pink here and there for I don't know what, but when you do the stitch you'll see for the mountain there's brown. I think at back they also do a brownish color. I don't know. It is beautiful. This is amazing. Look at this. 36 colors, and look. All that different greens and blue. That is just fabulous. Amazing products. I just want to, while I pack away, say thank you to One Day Saving. I had a tongue twister there. This is amazing products. It's beautiful, superb. I absolutely adore them. Yeah, I want to do all of this and frame them next to each other. This is really, really pretty. Now, to you, my viewer, thank you for always watching and supporting me. It means the world to me. The English don't want to English today. You guys must have a wonderful weekend. And do not forget to go and make use of the Halloween sale. You can save a lot. Until next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.